Okay, two tools. Whatever. You've got your C1 tool with a knurled socket head cap screw in titanium with a milled point to a tip. Excuse me, to a milled tip to a point. Anyways, you get the idea. That point fits perfectly into the C1 hole. So all you do is you line up that into the hole, insert your screw. But first things first, take your C4 tool, your valve rod clamp, you open it up, and as you can see, valve rod here, put it right in there. Hand tight, and then give it quarter turn to tighten it up so it can't move around. Take your C1 tool, line it up with the holes, insert your M5 screw, and now you've got something to hold on to, and you can remove your tool like a regular screwdriver. Excuse me, you can remove the C1 like a regular screwdriver. And this again is prototype number 1. The final version is going to have a whole slew of tools on it. These will be a multi-tool. There you go. It's off. Undamaged C1, no Mars, no nothing. When you're done, you simply take screw, put it back in. Loosen that up, unscrew it all the way, or just slide it off. Valve rod is unmarred now because we didn't use vice grips or anything else to hold it. Tighten it all down, store these away. If you're putting on another one, you just leave it in, take it out, put it in, put it on, whatever you want. And again, the new tool is going to have a whole slew of tools in it, plus a gauge on the side for measuring your 5.5 to 6.5 depth for your C1. That's it.